stage and recite hadith of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, a source of guidance, wisdom and mercy for all of us. Please welcome our student with a warm round of applause.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Nurain Sadaf. I am studying in 5th standard from ABC school. Today I am speaking about Hadith Mubarak in Arabic. Myself Umaira Anjum. I am studying in 5th standard from ABC English Medium School. Today I am speaking about Hadith Mubarak in English. My name is Sayyid Asra. I am studying in 5th standard from ABC English Medium School. Today I am speaking about Hadith Mubarak in Urdu. Al-Hadith. Ad-Din Yusrun. Translate in English, religion is easy. Tarjama, Deen आसान है. Al-Hadith. Miftahul Jannati Salah. Translate in English, prayer salah is the key to paradise. Tarjama, Jannat की कुंजी यानी चारवीं नमाज है. Al-Hadith. Ya Gummaddain. Translate in English, beware of debt, protect yourself from taking loans. तर्जमा, कर्ज लेने से बचो. Al-Hadith. As-salamu qabla al-kalam. Translate in English, greet with peace before speaking. तर्जमा, बात करने से पहले सलाम किया करो. Al-Hadith. Alaykum bis-sidq. Translate in English, always speak the truth. तर्जमा, हमेशा सच बात कहो. Al-Hadith. Innamal a'malu bin-niyyat. Translate in English, the reward of deed depends on intentions. तर्जमा, अमाल का दारोमदार नियतों पर है. Al-Hadith. At-tuhuru shatrul iman. Translate in English, cleanliness is half of faith. तर्जमा, पाकी आधा ईमान है. Al-Hadith. Man intahaba nuhbatan falaysa minna. Translate in English, whoever cheat is not from us. तर्जमा, जो किसी दूसरे की चीज छीन कर ले वो हम मुसलमानों में से नहीं. Al-Hadith. Al-Jannatu tahta aqdamil ummahat. Translate in English, paradise lies beneath of the feet of mother. तर्जमा, जन्नत माँ के कदमों के नीचे है. Al-Hadith. Al-yadul ulya khayrun min al-yadis sufla. Translate in English, the upper hand who will give is better than the lower hand who will take. तर्जमा, ऊपर देने वाला हाथ नीचे लेने वाले हाथ से बेहतर है. जज़ाकल्लाहु खैर.